All right, something else that people have a lot of tends to be books. Now, I'm a pretty extensive book collector, so I have a lot of books. And people always want to know, hey, Sumina, I want to get you a book for your birthday or for Christmas. What should I get you? And I'm always stuck wondering, do I have that book or not? Now, a great way to organize your books is, first of all, to alphabetize them, of course, because I'm a neat freak. So I like to have my books alphabetized. I also will go into my computer and just use a simple program like Microsoft Excel and put together a spreadsheet of my books. And I just have a couple categories here. I have the title, the author, and the genre, but you can easily include things like the ISBN number, who gave you the book, or if you bought it yourself, and the date that you received it. Now this way, you're able to quickly reference what you have, what you've lent out, because you can put a little check by that, and it'll help you keep your sanity when someone asks you, and you'll know so you don't buy doubles of a particular book. The other thing I've done, again, because I am kind of a neat freak, is to color code them. So I have the different categories categorized by color. So health and wellness books are labeled in yellow, business is labeled in pink, self-development labeled in green. You kind of get the idea. Humor may be labeled in orange or something funny.